Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. Welcome to the Saturday edition of Ficus Friday. Today I'm going to be working on my Chinese village Penjing. You can see the moss has grown extremely long. The trees need pruning. And I think I have a bit of scale on them. You can see some of the leaves are discolored. I think it's going to take a lot of work this one today. It's a lot of pruning, a lot of moss pruning, a lot of landscaping. Should be fun. I'm going to start with the pruning of the trees, and I think this one I will use the blue scissors. So here I go. So I'll just be pruning them to kind of a rounded canopy. So here I go. And this is just the initial rough pruning to get the profile right. And then I'll come in and do a more detailed pruning when I can see the structure better. Yeah, this has a lot of scale insects on it. They're just covered on the trunk here. Terrible. We'll get that fixed. So that's getting the trees kind of rough to shape. Very rough. But you know, it's fast and effective. It's ruthless. If I were to, examine every branch, I would be going, oh, okay, I've got to prune back to this internode. This just does it. And, it gets the profile of the trees how you want it. Then you go in and refine the shape of the actual branches themselves, looking for crossing branches. And it's an effective tool. Works really well. So I'm doing all this work way ahead of the club shows. So if I want to put this in a club show, it should be looking pretty good by then. So I'm doing it, over a month ahead of the club shows. So I'll prune it back today, and then within a month, all the new shoots will start going in. It should look really good for the show. If I put it in, I'll have to see at the time. You never know what will happen. You've got to, before a club show, you just look and see what's looking good on the bench, and then that goes in the show. Here's a look at the Penjing now with the trees roughly pruned up. So you can see on these branches they're covered in scale. Oh, it's terrible. So that's got to be dealt with. So the first thing I'm going to do is give the entire planting a spray with soap and water. You can see how overgrown the moss is here. There's no pathways anymore. My bushes out front have no definition. And that happened very quickly. So let's give it a spray with soap and water as a first step. Then I'll start cleaning and pruning the trees of scale. All right, here I go with the soap and water. So you want to get all over the leaves, underneath, above, the branches, the moss, everything. Spray it down with soap and water. Kill all those crawling scale insects. And then the ones in the shells, I'll have to pick off the branches. Okay, so that's sprayed down. I'll let it sit a few minutes, then rinse it all off. All right, time to rinse it all off. So here I go. Make sure you rinse the soil out thoroughly. And that should do it. I love the lighting right now on the trees. It looks like a morning in a small village. You can see the shadows of the trees on the moss. It looks very, very cool. My next step for the trees is to prune them up. After I prune them up, then I'll scrape all the remaining scale insects off of the branches, give them another spray, And then I think I'll defoliate the trees. So for the fall shows, all the new leaves will come in and they'll be nice and miniature and a consistent color. All right, let's get these trees pruned up. So I've got some new lower branches here, which might be a good idea to keep those. I would like to maybe reduce the height of this main tree down a little more. I think it's maybe a little tall. I have a division here where it divides from one trunk line to two. I could reduce it, I'm not sure. It is getting a little heavy up top, so I do need to reduce it back to kind of keep finer branching up top in the canopies. Here's an overall look at the planting now. So I think it's looking good. I think the trees are looking in scale with the buildings. I don't think any of them are too tall, too thick. I think they look pretty good. Yeah, I think that'll do for the pruning for now. I have a lot of scale to clean off. I'll do that, but first I think I'm going to work on the landscape a bit, trying to get that moss back under control. I'm going to start the landscape work by clearing my path to the doorway here and defining my 3 bushes, which you can't even tell they were 3 bushes at one time. It's really, it's hard to tell what was going on before it's grown in so much. So I'll start with my pathway here. I don't even remember what it looked like. I think it was something. I think I'll make it kind of getting a little larger towards the front. So I'll just start pruning away or pulling it away. I don't know. Pulling seems to work quite well. Okay, so that's kind of defined the edge of my pathway. Okay, on the other side, I guess that was my 1 moss ball, 2 and 3. I'll have to try and even those out. I don't even know if I had moss around here. You can see my dogs back here are blocked totally. Yeah. I know I didn't have any moss around the base of the trees. I could kind of prune that away too. Yeah, these moss bushes, why? Well, if I have one here, 1, 2, 3, maybe I'll define my outer ones and then make the middle one right in the middle, central to the middle. I got my moss bushes in the sun now. This is kind of nice. So I'll try and round the bushes out. Well, those 3 bushes are looking quite reasonable. I think I've got them roughed in. Now I won't refine them to the to show quality at this point in time. I'll wait till, just before a show to do some final prunings on them. But over here, I have a rock in the garden that you can't see. All this. So I think maybe my hedges each side of the pathway, I should define those first over here. Now I have to remember where the path went. I think it was, boy oh boy, somewhere in here. I'll just try pulling moss out, kind of exposing the brickwork of the pathway here. Now over here, I've got my hedge, and then I've got this big clump of moss here, and I don't think I need that. I don't know why it's there. I could go back and check an older video and just see what I had intended to do in this area. Maybe I'll do that now. I'll just go check out the last video where I pruned this up and see what I was doing in this area. I went and checked my last video, and I did have a small clump of moss here. And these moss bushes were quite a bit smaller in the previous video. So I think I might have to kind of reduce them back a bit more. I don't want everything the same height, like, you know, the bushes, the hedge, everything. I don't want it all kind of the same height, so I'm going to get some variation in it. But this definitely was just a small, very small bush, so I'm going to prune it back from the front for starters. Getting it away from the edge of the pot. And then I'll just prune it back. And it'll look kind of brown until it starts growing in again, but at least it'll keep it to size. Now this hedge beside the pathway, if I do keep this, it's got to be quite a bit smaller than the bushes. And tough decision what to do in this area. The entranceway kind of flares out, so I think I've got to keep that theme of, you know, converging towards the door. And it's not doing that right now. Well, it's looking better. Yeah, I guess that kind of works. I don't know. I do like this little one. Maybe that one will look good someday too. It's just a little bigger. Need to kind of slim it down a bit, I think. And it'll have to green up. Yeah, now this hedge here, these ones are pretty big, which might be okay. I don't know. I'll work in this garden area here now. I think I kept one moss bush in there. Maybe I should keep the rock and 2 moss bushes. Might look good. Kind of a, you know, 3 things in this area. So I put 1 moss bush here. Getting better. That hedge, I don't know. It's pretty high. Now, on this garden area, I have a rock here. I don't need all this moss around the tree, so I'm going to start clearing that out. Wow, this moss is really deep. It has grown well. Here's a look at the progress on the forest. So I'm working on separating this hedge into individual bushes. And I hope it's not too much repetition, you know, these 3 round bushes here, round bushes here. So I might have to vary it. So maybe these will be round bushes and I'll make these more conical, or keep these round and make these ones more conical. I'll see. I'll see how it all looks. It's getting a little late in the day and I've got to water all my trees, so I'm going to leave the rest of this landscape and my descaling of the trees until tomorrow, so it'll be part 3 of this series. So that's all for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.